Welcome, students. My name is Corey Wade. I'm very excited to teach you an overview of the Python programming language. These lessons are designed for students who have either had Python before and are looking to review, or for students who are very proficient in another programming language and think that perhaps one hour lecture of Python would be enough to get up to speed. It's going to be broken down into a series of smaller lectures. The topics are going to be Python as calculator, Python functions, Python strings, conditionals and chatbots, lists and loops, while loops and games, and data as dictionaries. This is what I teach in my introductory Python class. Again, it's not going to be an in-depth treatment of these topics, but it's going to be an overview. So we'll try to cover as many of the main points as possible. The environment that we're going to code in is Google Collaboratory Notebooks. You see an example of one right here in front of you. The reason why I use these is because they're standard in the world of data science. I am a data science teacher. Most of my students take data science classes, and they're based off of Jupyter Notebooks, which you can run on your computer. However, Colab Notebooks, the online version, really work great. I've been using them for the last 5 years pretty much exclusively. And another big advantage is that we can share the notebooks with each other. That's ideal for both a teaching and a learning environment. Just a little bit about the way that I teach. These lectures are designed to be interactive, and we are going to code together. They're not actually designed as entertainment where you just sit there and watch. That's not how you learn. It's not how you're going to improve. You will improve by coding with me, typing with me, getting errors, learning how to correct those errors. And then when you refer back to this code later, it will be code that you have written, not simply code that I have written. Okay? Let's have some fun. Let's jump in together and get started.